Doon pa lang kumbaga meron ng accountability if ever mag-fail or mag-succeed itong team. Looking back at the history of Gilas Pilipinas, this will be the second time actually na SMC Group will back up the national team. If you remember it before, nung kaka-lift lang ng suspension natin ng FIBA in 2007 during the Tokushima FIBA Asia Championship. That team was sponsored by San Miguel Corporation. Jot Reyes was the coach, and I think he was still with San Miguel noon eh. Coach pa siya ng San Miguel tier. And if you look at the lineup ng team na yon, most of them, hindi naman lahat. Sila Mark Agiwa, Danny Sigel, Dondon Ontiveros, Kirby Raimundo, yan, sila JJ Elterbrand, Eric Mink. Halos kalahati nun, puro mga SMC players, no? Pero unfortunately, dahil kakabalik lang natin sa suspension nun, ganyan din, wala ring time to prepare, to train together as one unit. Hindi po tayo nag-succeed, hindi tayo nakapasok sa quarterfinals. Sa Banilit sabi, na-relegate tayo sa classification phase. But I think this time, mas iba na yung organizational chart. Tama yung sabi ni Boss Dodo, Miss Snow, na may isang tao nang nagtitimon. And I think that is Coach Al Francis Chua. And syempre, ang order niyan, manggagaling sa taas from Mr. Ramon Itang. So doon pa lang malinaw na yung flow chart eh. 'Di ba? Pag inano mo yung diagram mo or drawing mo yung flow chart, alam mo na kung paano yung takbo ng team. So doon pa lang kumbaga meron ng accountability if ever mag-fail or mag-succeed itong team. And I think we'll just hope for the best. Na sabi nga nila, baka naman the second time is the best time to succeed. So, kung good luck lang. Good luck sa San Miguel Corporation. Sana nga this will be the start of road to na lang recovery ng Philippine basketball.